it now. Want some flood to make it like flood water?
Right. 现在
3 bottles. 2 you cannot drink. 2 you cannot drink. And now there is a test you can do to tell you which is the one, which is the good one. And when you have a poison, it will come out of color. In poison, it will stay blue. With alkaline, you can see a little line of blue going really blue at the end. Alkaline in this strip.
它就会变成蓝色。
One here.
它会变成蓝色。
Being really blue. You turn blue.
明显。
Is there poison in that one? Yeah.
变成了红色，变成了红色，所以这是一个沾了酸性溶液的试纸。
One will turn red when it's really acidic. One will turn blue when it's very alkaline. And hopefully,
你看这个是红色的，这是蓝色的。
Will be just normal. It'll be slightly alkaline because of the dirt. Slightly blue. Oh no, slightly acidic. So the dirt has even made it slightly acidic. Okay? And that's the one that's just fresh water. To make it fresh, you'll never make like third out of like line is from drain cleaner, chlorine, cement bags. If any floods wash over that stuff or that gets mixed in, it becomes very alkaline and it makes you sick too. So we know that we've gotten rid of acids and bases. Bases is alkaline. Acid is acid.
刚才老师说的 alkaline 其实就是 bases， 也就是碱性物质的意思。Yep.
We need to remove oxidants, particles now, and then it'll be drinkable. So out of this one, we need to take out oxidants. Oxidants is what makes food go brown. If you've ever cut an apple, okay, an example of oxidation of your food. Okay, oxidants can get into water, all right, and it can make
就是因为氧化物在起作用。
You don't want, yeah, it's like rust. Food and water is, okay, it's like rusting. Too much oxidization. We like it for rocket fuel, all right. So, example, acids and bases. If you've got liquid drain cleaner, that strip would turn purple. Need the right amount of hydrogen. And there's our test paper.
水调整为酸碱度为7左右的饮用水。
We use test paper for our. Would you select water from a flood or from a flooded water that's flowing and it's come out of the sky and it's just flowing a short amount of distance? Try and collect that water. Okay.
其实这
if water
是在山
settles,
间流动的水
especially in
源
creeks and
其实是比
ponds,
较干净的。
start getting this stuff in it. It just comes out of the soil from pollution.
因为呢，它会一直流淌。
So now we want to filter this one using a filter bag. We want to go from dirt to
我们
clean.
刚才不是已经得到了一壶是证明呢是清。
Okay. Now, if I pour that into here and it fills up with mud, what's going to happen to my filter bag? It's going to stop dripping through, isn't it? If it clog up, it'll look like this.
如果我们直接把水倒进，
Much water coming.
就是那个泥土
Water
呢
you
会
need every day for your
阻止这
family.
个水继续往下
You
流
need。
当这个泥
5
土累积到一定程度的
liters
时
a
候
day. 1 liter per person per day. So if you just try and pour water through that, you'll just get little drips. Okay, so you might get like you would just get maybe half a cup a day out of that. I can show you if I could just.
就是随
I'm jumping around. Yes. Start on already. Excellent. Okay. So you know that your job will be to build a water filter. In this unit, you will get some equipment, all this stuff here, and you'll construct in a team a water filter which will quickly change it from that to, well, not bubbly. Beans that will filter a lot of the garbage out, and that is the carbon. And you can see the little tunnels when the particles pour through the carbon.
如果我们用显微镜去看这两个物质的话，就是咖啡豆还有这活性炭的话，我们会发现这上面有很多细小的毛孔，这毛孔呢就可以在遇到一些
cuts the end of the bottle off. I'll just explain because it's in fast motion. That's going to collect the water. Now he puts a little stone in the. It's got a stone in the
第二种方法呢，就是用这个塑料瓶去自己做一个过滤水的
sand, gravel, and grass. He was using something like wool when he uses the grass.
活性炭啊、沙呀，还有一些草，同样的也是用于过滤水的。
Charcoal, sand, gravel, grass. Coffee filter papers.
Yep. Okay.
And coffee beans.
Yep.
I haven't got any beans yet.
Yep.
So I'll get some beans.
Right.
I'll get some more bottles.
Right.
Okay. So that's the homework for next week. Does that all make sense about how we're going to make the filter for next week?
Yep. I think so.
Just asking Justin. All right. So that's just about it for us for today. We'll probably wrap it up there. Is that all right? Or any questions? No questions? Okay, we'll sign off here now. We'll just say goodbye to all the students.
好的，宁波市的同学向那个老师和同学说再见吧，因为他们要下课了。
Here's a refresh for you. This might just be our last one for now, but we can share some more later. We're going to put them up on the internet.
这个呢是
Hi, Paul.
Hi, hello, Michael.
How are you today?
I'm okay. Yep. How about you?
Good. Thanks for putting up the lesson on the PowerPoint there.
Oh, it's okay. Can I just confirm that today we're going to create it, and they will spend most of the class on creating?
Indeed, that's right.
Okay. Is there any other things you want to?
How are you going? Maybe can I just explain?
Yep.
Can I explain something to the students about what we're doing today, just to clarify what's happening?
Yeah, sure.
And we also have some questions for the PhD students.
Okay.
But I see there's no PhD student yet. Water filter, but we need to collect clean water into something. We haven't really talked about that yet. I'm thinking if you want to make something like that collects the water, and then we just get some sticky tape or something. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to have to stand there and hold it while it's filtering. Do you understand? Now, will fit quite nicely over the top and filter. See that? So we could just sit it like that. I've made a little a turbidity tester to test to see how clear they make the water today.
Okay.
Little homemade thing, and they look through it. And you look down the end at a little target, and it'll tell you how clear the water is.
Okay.
So I didn't include that on the lesson plan, but I thought we'd just try and do that at the end of today if we've got time.
Okay, that'd be great if we get
Over.
time. Yep.
Okay, we're ready to go. So teams, you need. Hello, everyone in China. These are the things we're going to use today. 2 bottles.
Okay.
We're going to connect them together somehow.
Okay.
Right? And then we're going to use different household materials inside the filter
Okay.
to make the filter. So we've got wool,
Okay.
we've got charcoal, coffee.
Okay. 好，那我先跟大家说一下，我们
Okay, we're going to spend 5-10 minutes making our filters.
Okay.
And then we're going to test them.
Okay.
10 minutes and then we'll test.
Okay.
10 minutes. Mr. Campbell is.
Hi, Michael. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Sorry about that, Paul. We just had an announcement over the loudspeaker from the principal.
Okay.
We're actually having floods here.
Okay.
We're having floods here in Cairns, and some of our city is flooded.
Okay.
And I think some of the students might have to go home. Story? They don't have to go home? Oh, really?
Yeah. Not
so
at
you can
all.
hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly now, but not when you're facing that side.
Wow. How about if I go over this side? So in 10 minutes, we should be able to have some sort of construction.
Okay? So you don't need to go home
work
now.
together.
So you don't need to go home now, and you can continue the class.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
All right, and we will film one of our groups working in front of the camera here, making their filters.
Okay. Is there any other thing you want to tell the Chinese student before they start creating?
No, we are ready to go now, Paul.
Okay. Right.
Are you ready, you guys? So go and organise yourselves into your team roles and come over and get your equipment. Get started. All right. Now we just need a jug with some muddy water in it.
Okay.
We got a jug. All right. Water. Nice water. It's good. She scooped it off the top.
水呢是有点浑浊的。
Now, did you notice the coffee bean? So that may be something to fix next time, hey?
大家可以看到这个水位。
I'm just trying to cut a hole in the bottom of here with this knife.
Okay, right.
And that's all right. I'm just on the floor. We got another knife. Tester, you will have to now. That'll do. Pour it in there. Oh, careful. Knife.
在真安小学里面制作这个水过滤器的同学呢。And do you have any other thing you want to say about the next class or this class?
Just that next week we're going to try again after the holidays. We got 3 weeks that we won't be doing this. 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, so after 3 weeks we're going to try and do it again and improve what we've done.
Okay.
So I'm going to tell the children here that they're going to rebuild and do the same experiment again, but doing what they found was successful. Okay?
Yep. So what should they like? What do you want them to do to prepare for the next class? Any other materials or?
No, we'll use the same materials again, but they'll have to redesign it.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll use the same materials, we'll repeat everything again.
Okay.
And see if they can make their water clearer this time.
So there's no homework for this class. Okay.
No, we'll just leave it and we'll get them to think about how they can improve.
Okay, right.
Yeah. So we've all learned that the way we've made our filters can be improved the next time we make them.
Yep.
Okay, so next time we come, we're going to rebuild, but better next time, all right? So think about how it would be improved. Maybe something to do with the charcoal and the coffee beans, what we could do with them. All right? Okay, folks. Miss Hamlin, we're gonna sign off now, Paul. We have to get back to class.
Okay, right.
Because it's almost finished now.
Oh, do you want to say goodbye to them?
So it will be 3 weeks.
Okay, do you want to say goodbye to them?
Yes, can we all say goodbye?